Even the simplest words have multiple meanings according to how we say them. For example, if I say, "I really believe you," you can tell immediately from my inflection that I mean just the opposite. There are, however, certain words that no matter how we say them can distract people from our intended meaning or even evoke a negative reaction. Here are 5 of them. "I feel you ought to stop shouting" really means, "I'm uncomfortable with you shouting." To get our meaning across more clearly, we can say what the feeling actually is, rather than using the word feel for the sake of it. "I really liked your introduction, Paul, but..." Well, we both know what's coming next, the bad bit. The word "but" not only invalidates everything that went before it, it also changes our inflection so that even a genuine compliment is tainted by "but." Instead, try leaving a gap. "I was really impressed by your presentation, especially the diagrams. I did get lost in some of the detail." There's no better way of invalidating someone's input than to respond with the words,
"I know."
"I know" says,
"Move on. I've got it. This is old hat. I'm way ahead."
Instead, just listen. "I understand" often rightly gets the snarl it deserves, because why should we believe the person who is claiming it, especially if we know that they disagree with us? To prove that we really do understand, we need only describe what we have seen and heard. For example, "You seem reluctant to sign off on the contract." Whilst it might sound like a risky thing to try, we're actually just mentioning what both people already know. We're calling it out so that it can be talked about. And finally, why? No matter how it's said, the word seems to imply a criticism. "I was really impressed that you got the borderline so quickly. Why did you start the head of marketing?" Using words well is not just about being more careful. It's about being more aware, more accurate, and perhaps more honest.